Most people don't think about protecting a lock until it starts sticking or becomes difficult to use. Over time, dust, dirt, and moisture can gradually work their way inside the mechanism, causing wear and reducing reliability. That's why this simple bottle cap idea has caught so much attention. Instead of throwing the cap away, someone found a creative way to use it as a protective cover for an outdoor lock. The concept is incredibly simple, yet surprisingly practical. It looks like a small and insignificant modification at first, until you realize how much protection such a simple solution can provide over time.